Yeah, for all y'all G body lovers, man. We got a Mini Cooper roof we about to install. Somebody already installed it. They did an okay job, I guess, but they didn't realize that the motors are in the front of this. So they didn't cut they didn't cut inside, man. They didn't cut inside right here. It has the roof, the skin has to be brought back more, probably about an inch. So the motors for this actual sunroof will work, man. So we're gonna cut all this out. We're gonna take this roof back out. We're gonna take the skin back off. They pop riveted it. So I'm about to flat this, the resin off and all that, and then grind all the dang rivets off, and then push the roof back on there. So that's what we got in store for today, man. For all y'all G-body lovers. This is the roof right here. I'm pretty sure it's just a one vent, not the two vent. I need to hook it up real quick and see. The motor's not on there. I gotta hook the motor up on there. Basically just going behind somebody else's work, man. You know how it is sometimes. You run into them problems. But that's what we got for today, man. I'm gonna keep y'all posted. I'm about to flat this right now. And then I'll get with y'all when I'm about to take the top rivets off. Come on, what's up? See. This everything you got for fiberglass out here?
Yeah. What you looking for?
The U-Paul?
The fiber all light?
I might have them right here. Where your drill bits at?
Right here on that wall.
We got the skin in. See, we had to bring it back probably about 2 inches maybe. I'm gonna weld it in now. I gotta put the welding blankets down, man. It's going down, man. It's looking good. Probably gonna take this trim off, this rubber. After I get the sand in, it's probably gonna mess all that up. I don't know why they got it taped. As far as that, man, it's looking real good. You see how close it is to the back. Probably got maybe 3 inches on the back. And that frame, I had to cut that frame for your bolts. Look at where your bolts is. So it's probably only a ½ inch to where your back bolts is. This is the back of it. So you probably got a ½ inch, and that's what I got on the back. And the inside is about a ½ inch. Because you gotta have that room in the front for your motor to go. So man, get it together, man. Appreciate y'all. Yeah. Hooking up these power lines, gang. Better get with me. One thing is another.
Well, what are you trying to tell my brother?
All that hard thinking for a switch. There y'all have it, man. Number one roof installer comes back with another. The Cutlass. This the Mini Cooper, double roofer doofer, double roof. Y'all see that shit, man? Come on, man. Y'all be playing too much, man. Y'all see that shit like a baby's ass cheek. Well, smooth as butter. Can't believe it's not butter. Yeah. There y'all have it, man. Y'all better get with me. Y'all see it? Show them that motherfucker check. Yeah. Look at all them creases and dents and things in there. Y'all see it? Got the water lines in, man. Water lines, power. Hey, come to the other side, man. Let me show these guys something. Put it on the toggle. Momentary switch. All you gotta do is turn that key. Hold on. I ain't even gonna turn the key. Let's show them that it works. This the switch right here. Y'all see ain't nothing going on? Oh yeah, let's turn the key on just so we ain't draining the batteries. Turn the key forward. Check him out. Ooh, you hear that? Yeah. Come on, man. Come to me, get it done right.
Get what done right?
Get that roof done. Install. Check him out. Check these water lines out, man. Yeah, I'm gluing that so you definitely ain't leaking. That's for damn sure. On top and bottom. Going to the wheel wells on them.
Yes.
So good job. Thank you, come again.
Predictions. What's the next going to be?
Thank you, come again.
Okay.
Man, predictions. I think I might have to get on that OBS, man. Y'all been waiting on it. Y'all been waiting on that, man. Everybody been crying, asking about what you doing, when you gonna bring that OBS up? Oh, I'm about to show y'all. Y'all got it, man. Got the roof open. Mini Cooper. Y'all see what's going on. Cut, dog. That cut, dog. Man, so customer about to come get this Cutlass, man. We about to ship him off. It's about to go bye-bye. Y'all see it, man. Y'all seen it. Y'all see it. It's going down.
shit.
Yeah.
So I
Nigga, you showed me the glass.
Most of them loose gens, you know. With all these buttons and shit. I feel like it's the one. I got one. I blame it ain't double. I'm mad as hell. I'm got my shit on.
So how we set up the buttons?
I already got my shit on. I'm glad to see if
So, it's up?
You gotta turn the
You gotta
power
turn the
on.
key.
You gotta turn it on. I think you sitting on it.
Yeah. You ain't draining no batteries, gang. Yeah, just be careful. Don't hold it too long. Just, you feel me?